So here's a little bit more on the entity info window because it's actually a pretty great tool. Not only will it tell me what the name of the layer is, but if I were to open this up, this plan, and I click on a specific line, it's going to tell me exactly how long that is in terms of feet and inches. And if I were to get something a little bit more complicated, like let's say, well, first and foremost, at its most basic, it will tell me the length of something, exactly, down to a really minuscule measurement, depending on your actual model settings. But it will also give me area and square footage. So if I just draw a regular polygon like this, it's going to tell me the exact area. And again, if I were to click on individual, it's going to tell me that it's got 6 segments, that the grand total length of all the segments is 59 feet, 4 3/8 inches. It's going to tell me the radius of this shape. If I give it an arc, it's going to tell me it's going to tell me the radius of the arc, the amount of segments. So there's quite a bit of information that this thing can give you. Let me go ahead and just continue with this a little bit by making a different shape here. Okay, so in this case, it's going to tell me the radius of the arc, it's going to tell me the segments, it's going to tell me the exact length of it, it's going to tell me I can select a few things, it's going to tell me the exact square footage. So this is a really, really fantastic way if you're working on a model and you've drawn to scale. This is a fantastic way of starting to determine exactly how big, roughly, a room is. I can just open this area up and get a rough idea really, really quickly for someone without doing any calculating. Okay, this is about 530 square feet. Or this desk area here occupies about, occupies about 85 square feet. So the entity info window is something I advise you to explore a lot more. First and foremost, you need it to be able to move things from one layer to the next. But better than that, it actually will give you information about your model that you might not be able to find. And I found that when I'm drafting or when I'm making something in 3D and then I need to translate this to some working drawings to give to a builder, if I have an arc and I need to quickly give them the radius of that, it's a lot easier for me to just select this and just verify roughly what my radius is, and I can tell them exactly the feet and inches, and then pull some guides to create an actual dimension within some working drawings. But that's another story. Long story short, entity info, fabulous tool for getting information out of your model.